When the world is grappling with the virus and depression, a first-of-its-kind drive-in concert brought relief and smiles for the revelers in the Sri Lankan capital, Colombo. As part of the government's Restart Sri Lanka initiative, the first experimental concert post-COVID-19 was held in capital's domestic Ratmalana airport. The country was under a strict lockdown for weeks and succeeded in containing the virus that has otherwise exposed health systems across the world and has ravaged countries' economies.
Hundreds of revelers drove into Ratmalana, the domestic airport in Sri Lankan capital Colombo, and rejoiced the first experimental concert organized in country post the outbreak of COVID-19. The tarmac of the airport was packed with hundreds of vehicles on 30th May and 1st June after the scheduled event of 31st May was called off due to a mandatory lockdown. The two-hour performance, organized by two of Ireland's most popular young musicians, Bhatia and Santosh, was also broadcasted live on radio and TV.
It's done under strict controls. So people were asking a lot of questions. Is this safe? Is this not safe? What's happening? I must say that the authorities came up with a proper plan. As you can see, the park, from the time that you come in, your safety is at it is utmost important.
The concert was announced on May 26 when strict lockdown restrictions were lifted throughout the island nation. Tickets were sold out online in a few hours. The second concert, originally planned for May 31st, had to be postponed to June 1st after the government declared a 24-hour curfew for that day.
ඇත්තට මේක හොඳ මේ වැඩක් මොකද රටක් විදිහට ආයේ නැගිටින්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් නැගිටිනකොට මේ වගේ දෙයකින් පටන් ගැනීම මම හිතන්නේ ඉතාම හොඳ කාර්යයක් මේක.
The money from the sales of the ticket will be donated to President's Coronavirus Fund. Sri Lanka has 1,620 infections and 10 deaths due to the virus as of Sunday.
This is an exercise done by the Sri Lankan entertainment industry to see how we can restart the industry in a safe manner.
Sri Lanka plans to reopen its tourism sector on August 1st by allowing only small groups of visitors to begin with, a tourism official said on Sunday. A limited number of small groups from around the world would be allowed to visit from August and stay in approved 5-star hotels that have put strict safety measures in place. The country attracted around 2 million tourists last year, and the sector contributes around 11% to the nation's gross domestic product. The tourists will be required to carry a COVID-19 free certificate issued either by their governments or a reputed agency. Tourists would also need to wait on arrival at the airport for coronavirus testing.